Introducing the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a leather steering wheel, a blind spot monitoring system, automatic dimming door mirrors, front dual-zone air conditioning, turn signal indicator mirrors, a trailer hitch, and more. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.